Sorting Materials, Class 6th, Chapter 4, Flotation. Now children, we are studying about sorting of materials on the basis of properties. Now the property is flotation. The property of a material to float on the surface of water. This is called flotation. Now certain materials float on water while others sink. Materials may float or sink. This depends on their density. Density means mass per unit volume, mass per unit volume of a substance. Now some materials like wood, leaf, feather, so they are less dense than water and thus float. And materials such as stone, iron and aluminium, they are denser than water and thus sink. So according to flotation property, we can classify the materials like floating materials and sinking materials. Floating materials and sinking material. Floating materials, they have density less than water, so they float. Sinking materials, they have density more than water, so they sink. Now let us try to study the materials that can float or sink in water. For this activity, we take the materials beaker, water, eraser, stapler pin, safety pin, pencil shavings, pencil, plastic scale, leaf, and table tennis ball. These all material we can have at home very easily. Now procedure. Take some water in a beaker. Predict whether the material will float or sink. Put the given material one by one in the beaker and observe whether they float or sink and record your prediction and observation. Now eraser. What you predict? It will sink or float? I think it will float. A stapler pin. It will sink. Safety pin. It will sink. Pencil shaving. It will float. Pencil. Pencil. It will float. Plastic scale. It will float. Leaf. It will float. Table tennis ball. It will float. In the above activity, we will notice that the materials that are denser than water will sink in water, whereas the materials that are less dense than water will float on water. Some liquids such as vegetable oil and kerosene float on water because these liquids are less dense than water. Honey, it is more dense than water, so it will sink in water. Children, now here you are observing figure 4.10. Oil floats on water. Whenever oil is mixed with water, it forms top layer and start floating on water as it is much denser than water, so it float.